Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another Java interview question. Basically, I'm covering up the Java interview series, continuing the same interview series of Java. And today I'll be solving the most easy problem. If you have solved some of the LeetCode problems, so you can easily solve this problem. And just go to LeetCode and you can just check this problem and you can solve it. So I will be starting with that easy problem only. Today I'm taking it, and the thing is that the question says that you need to find the length of the last word, and I will be solving this problem using two approaches. One will be the simpler approach and one will be the much hard, but it will be a medium approach, you can say. And the thing is that you will be given a string and you need to, which will be consisting of word and spaces, and you need to find the length of the last word in the string, and you need to return it basically. And suppose this is the hello world. So in hello world, the last word string is word is there and it is of length 5, this word. Similarly in this here here the spaces are given in the starting also and in the end also, like trailing spaces are there. So we'll be trimming this spaces using the trim function. Then at the end we'll be finding the length of the last word, that is moon, and the length is 4. Then we have this word. So here the joy boy is the last word and the length will be 6 around. So this is that, and now we will be going to the code. So let's get started. And before that, like, if you haven't liked and share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Yeah. So basically what we'll be doing first, that we'll be trimming this string, which will remove the trailing spaces, like from the starting also and from the end also. It will remove the spaces which are present extra, like this space is there and this space is there, so it will remove all the spaces, trailing spaces. Then what we'll be doing it, we'll be just for iteration purpose we'll be taking one for loop. This is the second approach. You can say it is a medium, not much hard. It is also an easy approach, but there are one more approach is there which is more easier this, so I'll be sharing at the end. So firstly I'm telling you about this approach. So whatever I will be doing, I will be traversing the string from the reverse end. And what I will be checking it, basically, if str.char at I does not equals to we can say blank space, single space, as we found does not equals to that. So what we'll be doing, we will take one count variable for counting the length, and here we will be doing count plus plus. As soon as here it reaches the space, so what we'll be doing, we will break it from the loop, and at the end we will print this count variable. So here it is a simpler approach, this one also. But one more thing is here, what happened here. 4 is there. That moon, you can see the last word is moon. We have trimmed all the space at the end. Then the last word is moon and the space total count is 4. So we have print this 4. So simple. What I have done, I have firstly trimmed this string so that it will remove all the trailing spaces from the string, like starting space and the end space. It will remove it, and then again I am storing into str, as strings are immutable. So that's why again I am assigning it to string. Then what I am doing it, I have declared one count variable for maintaining or for like counting the length of the last word. Then I am traversing this string via the for loop, and I am traversing it in the reverse direction, that from the last word it will get start. So n o m, it will traverse like this, and as soon as it reaches this space, so I am breaking the loop. This is the thing, that if it's str.char at I does not equals to single space, as soon as it gets the space, so it will break the loop. And till that the length whatever it has counted, so I'm doing count plus plus, and at the end I'm printing it the count. So that's the approach for solving this problem. This is the first approach, and now I will be taking one more simpler approach is there. So in that approach, what I will be doing it, basically, okay, let me, instead of doing it, what we can do, we can just comment it, why to remove. Okay, So we have commented this code. Now what we have given the string. Now what we will doing, we will be just uh, convert into string array using the split function. Okay, now what we will be doing, sys out s dot length minus 1 dot length. Okay, I will explain you what I am trying to do here. Now let me run this program. See here, the 4 is coming. The last word is moon and the length is 4. Okay, so basically what I have done, if you see, this is the most simple approach. Nothing I have done. I have just split using the split function. I have just converted the string, particular string, into string array as soon as the single space is there. So one by one it will convert into the array, like array element, like fly will be the element, then me will be the element, and 2 will be the element, and then da, then moon. So the last word is moon. So I'm just counting the length, like string, the array, then inside that s dot length minus 1 for getting the last word, then we are calling the length function dot that particular string. That simple is there, nothing is there. And both the approaches, whether if you solve using this approach or using solve this approach, both the time complexities are O of n and space complexity is O of 1. So simple is them. There are multiple approaches. You can also try me and let me know in the comments if you get any other approach, or if you solve the approach which is more easier than this. So let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it from my side. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks. It is a simple problem, but it can be asked in many of the interviews. They have asked it. Thanks. Bye.